Love Jihad. UP government versus the constitution. Secular India must win. Love Jihad is a figment of political imagination, but the power of its politics can't be underestimated. You thought Ram Rajya was the foundation stone of Hindu Rashtra. Think again. It is actually the bending of Hindu minds around the ghosts of love jihad that will ultimately create the Hindu Rashtra. Love jihad is slowly and steadily turning into the carrot that is leading the donkey towards the formation of a state where politics and religion merge, and the Hindu Rashtra will finally become a reality. Of course, those even when basic common sense can foresee that this will spell disaster for India. With popular acceptance of the concept, legitimized by discussions on television debates and social media, love jihad has turned into a Loch Ness monster that people are convinced exists, but has rarely ever seen, which makes it all the more dreadful. The Yogi Adityanath government in Uttar Pradesh is planning to promulgate an ordinance against religious conversion soon. This is being done in view of the increasing number of cases of love jihad in the state, where Muslim men have concealed their religious identity to lure Hindu girls, sources said. The maximum number of such cases have been reported from Kanpur and Meerut. The jail sentence for the offence would be 3 to 10 years if the woman is from SC or ST community or is seen as part of mass conversion. The notice period to the district magistrate for the religious conversion has been doubled to 2 months from a month in an earlier draft. The audience comes days after the Allahabad High Court said in a verdict that the right to choose a partner or live with a person of choice was part of a citizen's fundamental right to life and liberty. The verdict also said earlier court rulings that religious conversion for marriage was unacceptable, was not good in law. UP government spokesperson and Minister Siddharth Nath Singh claimed the law was historic and essential and it was required to maintain law and order in the state and give justice to women. He claimed over 100 incidents of forceful religious conversions were noticed in UP. The ordinance will become a law once promulgated after the governor signs it. According to sources, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, during his 2-day visit to Lucknow this week, also raised the issue of religious conversion. The anti-conversion laws in various states seeks to prevent any person from converting or attempting to convert, either directly or otherwise, another person through forcible or fraudulent means or by allurement or inducement. The law in Uttar Pradesh would be quite similar in nature, which would make religious conversions a complex and cumbersome procedure, said an official in the law department. At present, 8 states have anti-conversion laws: Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Uttarakhand. Odisha was the first state to enact this law in 1967, followed by Madhya Pradesh in 1968. Uttar Pradesh could soon become the 9th state, said the law department official. The state government has set up a special investigation team to probe 11 cases of love jihad in Kanpur. To get a cascade of knowledge, do like, share and subscribe to Social Cure. Don't forget to press the bell icon.